Welcome to my South Florida garden. Let's take a look at what happened during February. Here you can see that the sweet potato has finally sprouted, and we have some lettuce that's growing right next to it. It's doing pretty good. Over here are the sweet peppers that we had started off in the Kratky method and had so many we just went ahead and put these over here in the dirt. We've got one little pepper off of it, nothing too impressive. Here is where my potatoes were in January, and for whatever reason they died, but check this out, without even flowering, they left me a potato. Then this little guy came around, had some babies, and infested all of my plants, including my tomatoes, so we had to deal with that. These are just some of the potato plants that are still growing. Here we have the carrots. I've managed to mostly keep them covered, but they're going to need some sun now, so I'm going to have to remove this and see what happens. Over here are the sweet cherry tomatoes, and these are doing really well. I have been harvesting and eating these and enjoying them, and you can see the plants are getting nice and tall. Lots more tomatoes to come. I'm going to move on into the determinate tomatoes, and many of you know that I tried really hard to get one out of many varieties of these large tomatoes to grow here in Florida, and I was very happy that I did. And check out this. I also have two more getting started that have flowers, but look at these tomatoes. I cannot wait till these ripen up. Here's the very first one that we've sort of been following around, and check it out, it's finally turning red. Some green onion chives, and the broccoli. Just enough to sprinkle on my salads. Check it out, the bucket of love is back, people. So we are hoping to get enough lemon balm to make some tinctures and definitely some teas. I think we'll be starting some more buckets. Here we have the parsley, the cilantro, some more green onions that are grown just from the bottoms of onions from the store. These strawberries are turning red, but they really just aren't anything appetizing looking. And we got a new toy. And these are the peppers that are growing now in that hydroponic system. We've planted some more lettuce. I have eaten all the lettuce that we had planted last time. These are the Tiny Tim tomatoes that we've been watching growing in the Kratky method, and they are definitely producing. So that's fun and exciting to see. Sweet potato that we're growing just in the water. Some Andrind tomatoes that we are growing. And in just a month you can see how they have taken off, grown, and are flowering. Down here are some Florida orange seeds that we got from a batch of oranges that I picked up from the store. The key lime seeds. Let's take a look now at what's going on inside the house. And again, here is the Tiny Tim tomatoes, a little bit of lettuce, the strawberries, which are kind of doing the same thing that they were doing outside. just producing some funky little strawberries. But here's the story of the day. Look at these peppers. So this is the same pepper plants that you've seen in the hydroponic and outside. This one inside, getting all of that light, is doing awesome. Everyone say, hi, Ricky.
Hi.